dear students of class 6, very good morning all of you. Dear, I hope you all are doing well at your home. Okay? So here I am going to start the next machine, that is inclined plane. Okay? Here is the chapter 5th and part 4th video. Okay? So simply a question in our mind, what is inclined plane? Inclined plane. Simply, a inclined plane is a plunk, wooden plunk or a slope, okay, to which we can move a load, okay, by rolling or sliding slightly above, okay, without lifting it vertically. Means what amount of things you have to move up or down, you just make it by sliding or rolling on the plane, okay, without lifting vertically, okay, because lifting vertically to any object, to any heavy object, it is a very difficult task. So we use it simply to slide it or roll it, okay, on a inclined surface, on a surface having some angle with the horizon. Okay, so first of all understand what is inclined plane. A plunk or a shape which is making some angle, a plunk or a shape which is making some angle is called as inclined plane. Okay, this is called as inclined plane. Okay, this is called as inclined plane here. Okay, here you just want to move anything, any object just upward. Okay, you want to just put it here above. Here you want to just push it or pull it. Just push it or pull it, this object, and this object will slide or move on this point. Okay? It will be very easy task by the help of this slope, this inclined plane. So inclined plane is the simplest machine which makes our task very easy. So dear, and if this object has a wheel, just put a wheel lower to the subject and just push it. This will roll and just reach to this point. Okay, it will move at some higher object. Otherwise, you have to just lower down or make it up above. Okay, basically it's almost used to load or unload heavy objects from the truck, from the sea. Okay, very heavy objects is loaded or unloaded by the help of inclined plane. Dear, okay, it's so used. Okay, so basically what is the task of inclined plane? The task of inclined plane to just move a heavy object, just lower it, a heavy object, from lower to above or above to lower by simply sliding or rolling. Just you have not to lift the object. Okay? Now, what will be the easy task? If incline is less or if incline is more. Okay, let's suppose that there is a two inclined plane from this point. One is this and another is this. Okay. Okay. Another is this and another is one is this. Here you want to make over some object above. You have to make some more inclination. Okay. Another thing, you may also take it as simply, if you want to be here just by this, there is a same point. I hope that you will get it better to reaching at same point by different point. this inclined plane, what you will face? Dear, you will face what? You will use less effort and the object will slowly move to here. While moving any object, heavy object, either by rolling or sliding through this path will be difficult task. Okay, because there is a high inclination and you have needed more effort to just hold it or move it on this inclined surface. So, dear, understand some extra thing. If angle is less theta 1, theta 2, let's suppose that this is the angle between horizon and the inclined plane. Okay, if theta 1 is less than theta 2, it means there is a less effort needed to that inclined plane. Effort needed to that inclined plane rather than effort needed to incline 2. Okay, and just E2 means effort 2. Okay, so if there is a high inclination, effort needed more. If there is a low inclination, effort needed less. Okay, dear, this up. What is the example in our day-to-day life? Just understand, in a playground slides, you will see that this is an example of inclined plane. Flyover, viewed over the roads, flyover, whatever you seen. Okay, there is a slope. Just if you not ride bicycle, then your cycle will slowly move to downward. Okay, because of its inclination. Okay, dear, this is the examples of what? Incline. So it is the simplest machine which makes our work very easy. Dear students, another simple machine is wedge. First of all, understand what is wedge. Make a clear picture in your mind. What is wedge? A wedge is a piece of wood or metal that is narrow at one end and broader at the other. Here, simple, a piece of wood or metal which is narrow at one end, okay, and broader at another end, okay, that is called as wedge. Okay, might you have seen X, kulhari, okay. In X, you will find that there is a sharp edge somewhere that is a narrow, okay, and somewhere it is a flat surface that is a broader area, okay. So I have tried to make it a picture for you like this, okay. When two inclined planes just side by side put together, they form wedge. Basically, it is used to cut something, okay, with very less effort, easily, okay. Dear, a wedge is formed when two inclined planes attach back to back, okay. Just I have show you some examples of wedge is saw. Saw is what used to cut wood, okay. X is also used to cut what? Wood. Knife we use in day-to-day life, which we use to cut for vegetables or anything, dear. So this is a very simple machine which we use in our day-to-day life to make our work easy, job very simply easy, done by a less effort, okay. I hope you are able to understand here. If you have any problem, please ask during Google Classroom, okay. Bye. Dear students, here I am going to start our next simple machine, that is screw. Dear, first of all, a question in our mind, what is screw? What it means? What is its shape? Which type of it is? So, here I have bring a screw there. It is a simple like nail, dear. There is a groove that groove is called thread. It has a head pointed and a flat back with a slit here. There is a very minute slit here, okay, for using what? To drive it by a screwdriver, okay. Dear, this is called a screw, okay. So here we will understand how it is made. Basically, a screw is a modified inclined plane. Dear, basically it is a modified inclined plane. You must understand it. From this point there is an increasement in what? Its height. Okay. That's why it is called a modified inclined plane. Okay. It is like a nail having a spiral groove around it. Dear, understand. This is the clear picture. Okay. It is a spiral groove on it. Okay. It is a what? Round groove. That is called groove. A spiral in the shape of a spiral groove. Okay. Now the winds are called thread. This groove, a spiral groove, or winds are called thread. This is called thread. Okay. The tip of the screw is pointed. Here, understand. This is the pointed shape. Okay. It is so what? Pointed here. While the head is flat. This head is flat. Okay. Just I have explained you. And a slit that helps the positioning the screwdriver to turn it. Okay. In this slit there is a gap on the head, and this we put a screwdriver to rotate it, to drive it. Okay. In one rotation it moves through a distance equal to distance between the consecutive threads. Dear, understand. There is a consecutive. If you will put your nail, there will be a consecutive what? Thread. Okay. And this consecutive thread equal to move by, if you drive this nail by one rotation, it will move a distance between its consecutive threads. Okay, dear? So this is how we understand the screw, what it is. Okay. The screw is a nail-like structure. It is a modified inclined plane. It has a pointed head, flat back, and a slit on it. It is a groove that is called as thread. Okay, dear? You may understand it. Okay, now use of, what is the use of screw? Why we use screw? It is used to fasten two pieces of wood or metals. Dear, as this door, window, which is fixed, it is fixed by use of nail. Okay, use of this screw also there. So it is used to fasten. Fasten means join. Okay, join, combine with each other. Okay, fasten two pieces of woods or metal. There, it is used to join woods or metals. Okay, two pieces of woods or metals combined to each other. Okay, by the help of what? A screw, we can add it. Okay, a cord screw is used to pull out the cord from sealed bottles. Okay, if there is a bottle which is sealed from all round, okay, and from that you want to take out here its cork, you may use a what? Cork screw. This is the diagram 15.7 in the page number 59. There is a what? Cork screw diagram. Okay, dear? Drills are a screw used to make holes in a hard surface. Dear, you might have seen while during working road or buildings, you have found a drill machine. Okay, drill machine is also like a screw which is used to drill or broke hard surface. Okay, marine propellers and screw propellers work within the body of water below boat hull. Okay, it moves through the water to drive the boat forward. Dear, understand, as you have seen an exhaust fan exhaust fan blades. How it works? It pulls the what? Air from inside to outside. Similarly, this exhaust fan blades is called as what? Marine or pillar. It is the same structure which pulls water from forward to backward and move boats from backward to forward. I hope you understand. It is a type of, this blade is a type of in the shape designed as a screw. This is how it helps to movement of forward movement of a boat. Okay dear. So I hope you have understand this topic, that is a screw. Now we will tackle in the next class the next machine. Dear, please read it from the book and ask if any problem to you in the Google Classroom. Okay dear.